You're listening to Revolution Radio, where it's 53 degrees, and I've got Joe Anunnaki on the phone. Hey, Joe, what would you like to hear?
We are observing your Earth.
I'm sorry, Joe, but we can't...
And we'd like to make...
sorry, Joe, but...
a contact with you.
Collision Course.
It is essential for our survival to use these powerful tools in the most humane and wise way. And the only way to guarantee that is not to shuffle the responsibility off to somebody else, but to make sure that every citizen understands science and technology to some extent.
Lighten up, Francis.
Clear skies, everyone. It's Francis, your host of Collision Course, right here on freedomsips.com every Sunday between 8 and 10 p.m. in New York City. This Sunday, October 6th, is our second anniversary show, and we have a special guest. Ben from Suspicious0bservers is going to join me in studio for our second anniversary show. You don't want to miss it. Join us on freedomsips.com between 8 and 10 p.m. this Sunday, October 6th. See you there.